Display size. OnePlus 12R is 6.78 inches. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 6.7 inches. Display resolution. OnePlus 12R is 1264 into 2780 pixels, with 450 ppi density. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 1440 into 3120 pixels, with 513 ppi density. Display type. OnePlus 12R is LTPO4 AMOLED. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X. Display protector. OnePlus 12R is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Operating system. OnePlus 12R is Android 14, Oxygen OS 14. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Android 14, One UI 6.1. Chipset. OnePlus 12R is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Exynos 2400 International. Processor. OnePlus 12R is octa-core processor. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is octa-core processor. GPU. OnePlus 12R is Adreno 740. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Xclipse 940. RAM. OnePlus 12R is 8GB, 12GB, and 16GB. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 12GB. ROM. OnePlus 12R is 128GB and 256GB. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 256GB and 512GB. Front camera. OnePlus 12R is 16MP wide-angle camera with 1080p video recordings. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 12MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. OnePlus 12R is 50MP wide, 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 50MP wide, 10MP telephoto, and 12MP ultra-wide camera with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Connectivity. OnePlus 12R is GSM, CDMA, HSP, LTE, and 5G. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is GSM, CDMA, HSP, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Battery. OnePlus 12R is 5500 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 4900 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging. Spec winner.